Hello, this is Matt Reynolds, editor of Packaging World magazine, back with another Technology Minute, this time discussing monomaterial flexible packaging and what it means for you, brands, retailers, and the environment. Today we're here with Evan Arnold, Glenroy's Vice President of Business Development. Evan, can you help our listeners understand the flexible packaging trend of moving to monomaterial format and what it means for the environment?
Sure. Thanks, Matt, for having me on today. And yes, this trend of moving to monomaterial is really going to drive the industry forward over the next 10 to 15 years. And traditionally, flexible packaging is a multi-layer material, and those multi-layers add different benefits for protecting the product and keeping the integrity of the product on the shelf. So moving to a mono material doesn't necessarily mean one layer, but that all materials are of the same type of plastic. So in the US, you're seeing a huge trend towards moving to mono polyethylene materials. And in Europe, you're starting to see a trend not only to polyethylene, but also to all polypropylene materials. And what this does is it really allows that material to be ready for the future of recycling, as materials can be one mono, or as these film structures can be one mono material. This allows for recycling to be much easier. We've talked a lot about the traditional benefits of flexible packaging, using less plastic, less gas emissions, and overall a lower impact to the overall life cycle. But moving to mono materials allows that material to then set up the recycling for flexible packaging. So when they are all mono materials, they can then be repelletized and reused and recreated into more flexible packaging, which is really about bringing the circularity of our industry together.
That sounds like a great trend, and it's something I've heard can help address the global waste challenge. As a flexible packaging manufacturer, what are you doing specifically to address the issue for brands, retailers, and consumers?
Thanks. Yes, it is a very exciting time to be working in flexible packaging, and it's a challenge, but with every challenge, there's a mountain of opportunity. So, the last 2 years, Glenroy has spent the majority of our innovation time developing out our sustainability portfolio, which is really about using and creating mono materials that can be used in store drop off currently, the recycling process for mono material polyethylene pouches. We've created a line of pouches utilizing post-consumer recycled resin. And most exciting, we are ready to launch the Recycle Ready Stand Cap pouch. And this is an all polyethylene stand up pouch that is perfect and delivers high barrier solutions to work with different food and beverage and household products. So right now, once we've laid out our sustainability portfolio, we are working with brands and retailers to help them meet their goals for 2025 of all their packaging being reusable or recyclable. So you're seeing this huge trend, and I believe with this sustainability portfolio that we've created and our focus on mono materials, we can really help brands achieve their goals and start catering these materials to help package their food products. At Glenroy, our purpose is to deliver sustainable solutions to serve the next generation. And with our sustainability portfolio, we believe we certainly can be there to help brands meet their goals of 2025.
Thanks, Evan, and thanks to our listeners. We hope you found the topic informative. This wraps up another edition of Technology Minute.